We are just a few short days from the Bronco Super Celebration. It is crunch time. We got to get some stuff done and get it done on the Bronco. a little behind the scenes. Road to the Bronco Super Celebration right here. Gonna install just some side mirrors because mine are old and falling apart. This mirror never really obviously worked well. Alright, so still gotta install the Saginaw power steering pump. I'm also installing these windshield braces. A friend gave me, donated to a good cause, the Best Top soft top, but I don't know if I really like it. Made for like the roll bar that like goes straight up and down and hits right there, and then it's supposed to like go down. I obviously have the family cage, so not sure if I'm digging on that. So I have the Tom's Bronco Parts carpet kit, but I don't think I'll get it installed before Super Celebration, so I was like, you know what I should do? I should just throw the carpet in there, just as that like a little sound barrier, because you know it's a 4-hour drive up to Super Celebration from my house, and so nice sound barrier. So I'm gonna cut it and then probably do like a for real install video on it a little bit later, even though Tom's Bronco Parts has a great install video. Alright, things that I'm probably not gonna get to. 3-point seat belts. Probably not getting to the seat belts. New rear view mirror. And new windshield glass right there. Probably not getting to that. Definitely not getting to camshaft. That's not happening. What else? What else do you guys see here? I still gotta fix this. Yo, that's not how it's supposed to go. So I've got this one about where I want it to be. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna come up here and drill my hole for the screw to go right in there. It gets nice and locked down. It's already so much better with the other side in. And that's it. Just like that. I have no more bounce in my windshield running without the top on, and get that bounce. It is gone. Like, why am I not doing the insulation as well? Just go ahead and knock it all out, do it all right now. So, busting out the insulation kit as well. It's like a big jigsaw puzzle trying to figure out how all this goes together. Just got back from getting a little Ellie's Donuts. Made some good progress last night on the carpet. Check it out. This place is a mess. to Super super celebration. Like, we are doing this. We're driving to Supercell. The sucky part is, I keep getting vapor lock and my Bronco keeps dying on the side of the road. It's always a good time when you're, you know, broke down on the side of the road, just to check your oil and, you know, your transmission fluid and things like that. Everything looks good there. Just no fuel getting to the old Phytech. Back on the road. Adding in the headers and the exhaust, you know, caused a good bit of vapor lock, so been dealing with that today on the ride, but we're almost here and we've made it. Super celebration, here we come. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe, because you don't want to miss my live videos Friday at 5 o'clock and Saturday at 12 o'clock from the Bronco Super Celebration in Townsend, Tennessee. If you aren't here, you need to be watching this video.